What's in do, Mama?
Doctor talk say, if we no raise Mama dialysis money, Mama will die.
Hey.
Graduate. It will be very difficult for you to find a graduate who will agree to be a driver.
Is that why you are laughing?
Yes, now. It's weird.
Difficult? Yes. But impossible? No.
Do you believe we'll leave this neighborhood someday?
You serious, sir?
Good afternoon, ma. Good morning. Good morning, ma. Please, I'm here to see Mr. Patrick. Who sent you?
I need to run some tests to find out what the root cause is. Meanwhile, what she needs now is some rest.
She has kidney failure.